Hey guys, this is Hari from Let's Review. Realme has confirmed that the V5 smartphone series will be released tomorrow. The V5 will pack a punch-hole display and feature an L-shaped quad camera on the back, which is a first for the Realme company. So, in this video, we will cover the specifications and the rumors about the Realme V5 series, including the processor, expected price, and much more. I will have the links in the description for other phones with similar specs if you guys don't want to purchase this phone. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. The Realme V5 has a 6.5-inch bezel-less display with a resolution of 1080x2400. The design is found to be quite good looking than the other smartphones of this brand in the 20k price bracket. Realme has done a good job trying to pack flagship level specs on a mid-range device. The screen has an inbuilt punch-hole camera and has an IPS LCD display. If you hold the phone in the landscape mode, the chances are quite near to zero for you to get distracted by the camera. What you will notice are the bezels, which are fairly thick, but I would say that this is acceptable at this price point. The phone comes with Snapdragon 765G chipset and Adreno 620. The first OnePlus Nord non-flagship phone is powered by the same processor with integrated 5G modem. It is priced quite high compared to the Realme V5. I made a dedicated video for the best alternatives for the OnePlus Nord, which you can view by clicking the I button above. Meanwhile, if you want to see more tech videos like these, take a moment to subscribe to my channel, as it will only take a second or two. The listings on some Chinese website mentions that the phone will be available in 6GB and 8GB RAM options and 128 and 256GB storage options, but I'm really not sure about it. I guess the base variant would come with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, which can be expanded up to 256GB. Realme ships the phone with the latest Realme UI and Android 10. The Realme V5 has a quad camera setup consisting of a 48 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera, 2 megapixel depth sensor, and a 2 megapixel macro camera. The camera specs is very similar to what we have seen on the other Realme phones. At the front, the phone comes with a 16 megapixel punch-hole camera like the Realme 6 series. Realme hasn't divulged any of the specs of the Realme V5 yet, but the leaks suggest there will surely be a 5000 mAh battery with 30 watt fast charging and 5G support. The phone can easily get to 65% in just 30 minutes and might take a little over an hour to charge the phone completely. The phone, however, comes with an inbuilt 3.5mm earphone jack and an USB Type-C cable. As this phone is very similar to the Realme 6, the fingerprint scanner is also positioned at the side of this phone. Realme V5 price in India is expected to be around 20,000. Realme V5 is expected to be launched on July 27, 2020, which is tomorrow. This 4GB RAM 64GB variant of the Realme V5 is expected to be available in black and gold colors. The phone has not created much hype like the OnePlus Nord, but once in the market, I'm sure that it will retain its place in the 20k segment. That's it guys, we have now reached the end of today's video. Comment down below if you want to know more about a particular phone or a gadget. Drop a like and check out my other videos if you want to. A sub to the channel will really be appreciated. Until next video, this is Hari from Let's Review signing off. Stay tuned, stay safe.
But that's alright. Hush.